Brother of popular social media personality and sound system selector Foota hype shot dead in Cassava Peace St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Sh0t TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Sh0t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sh0t TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Sh0t TV News Report. Popular sound system selector and social media personality O'Neil Thomas, otherwise called Foota hype, is mourning the loss of his brother, who was shot and killed in Cassava Peace St. Andrew on Thursday evening. The deceased has been identified as 47-year-old block maker Rohan Rose, popularly called Bourbon. According to the Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, reports that at about 5:55 p.m., Rose was walking home after completing his day's work at a black factory intersection of the community known as Peanut Lane when he got caught in gunfire that was believed to have been directed at someone else. Rose was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police said that the shooting is believed to have been a reprisal act of an incident that happened in Cassava Peace earlier on Thursday. The popular sound system selector Foota hype also took to his social media page, and this is what he wrote. R.I.P. Rowan, aka Sh0t, what good brother. A number of his fans and friends have also took to social media just in order to express sadness at the passing of his brother and also to send their condolences to the sound system selector. The killing has reportedly heightened tension in the Cassava Peace community, a community nestled between Mannings Hill Road, Glen Drive and Constant Spring Road, which has made prominent as the home base of dancehall entertainer Mavado, dubbed the Gully Side. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. However, the police are also reporting that this individual might have just been in the wrong place at the wrong time, and the police are continuing to maintain a presence in the area. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been Sh0t TV News Report. Thanks for watching.